Okay, the notes that we're going to be using will be here: G, A, E, C. So for now, I just want you to practice moving your thumb on all 4 notes. So you should be able to follow the beat and count 4 beats for every note, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once you got that covered, what I want you to do is to add the 3rd and the 5th. So we have your thumb here. So we're not just going to be playing 1 note anymore. I want you to add the 3rd and add the 5th. Now if you think that's too difficult for you, you can start with 2 notes. So just the 1st and the 3rd. Make sure you can move to all the positions. So that's the second thing I want you to practice. Once you have that covered, you can move on to the next step, which is all 3 notes. So if you follow the beat, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat without stopping. As you can see, I'm holding each chord. Try not to lift it up immediately, okay? Try to hold as long as you can. And if you think that's still very, very simple for you, you think you want to go one step further, once you think you're able to change the chords, all 3 notes very smoothly. Now you can see I'm using my 1st, my 3rd and my 5th, okay? So it's like this. Make sure you have your fingers curled. Yeah, once you think you've done that and you are able to do that very smoothly and you want a challenge for yourself, what you can do is you add a bass to it. The bass just follows the 1st note. So what you did just now, do you remember? Okay? If you think it's easier for you to just move, you can play with whichever finger you want. It just follows the 1st note, okay? The bass is playing the same note as this one, okay? Now, what I like to do is I like to leave my hands here like this, so I don't have to move it too much. Instead of doing this, see, I can just practice this first, make sure I'm smooth, and then I can play it together. So now, let's hear how it would sound. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Well, actually, to be more accurate, it should be G, A minor, E minor, and C. Alright, but I just use G, A, E, C so that it's easier for you to follow the notes that I'm playing. Okay, so go practice that and we'll play it together as a class later.